OnePlus has officially announced that its upcoming Nord smartphone will be released in July. While the specific device name was not explicitly mentioned, hints from the teaser post for the lab campaign on the community forum suggest that the Nord 3 will be launched in India, Europe, and the APAC regions. For those who may not be familiar, the lab was initially introduced for the OnePlus 3 and 3T devices. The purpose of this campaign is to gather unfiltered reviews from OnePlus users, prioritizing content creativity over follower count when selecting reviewers. Throughout the years, OnePlus has received outstanding content and genuine reviews from users, making the lab a beloved and successful tradition within the OnePlus community. OnePlus Nord 3 specs, rumored. Considering the similarities between the OnePlus Nord 3 and the previously launched OnePlus Ace 2V in China, the Nord 3 is anticipated to share many features with its counterpart. However, notable differences lie in the camera setup. Rumors suggest that the Nord 3 will sport a 16MP front camera and a triple camera system comprising a 50MP main camera, with OIS 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 2MP macro shooter. In contrast, the Ace V2 boasts a 64MP primary camera with OIS. Furthermore, the Nord 3 is expected to showcase a 6.74-inch AMOLED display with an FHD Plus resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Powering the device will likely Dimensity 9000 chipset, coupled with a maximum of 16 GB of RAM. Storage options may include 128 GB or 256 GB, while a 5000 mAh battery. Users can expect an under-display fingerprint scanner for secure unlocking.